I'm gonna start making my soup. Carrots, onion, and celery. I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm gonna add some salt. You cook it for a little bit. I'm gonna add the peas. Very easy step. Okay. I put some ice, of course, and some water, and show you what I'm gonna do next. Just take everything in, make sure you don't make a mess. Spinach is gonna give me more volume to the soup, and also basil. Now, you need some stock, okay? It's just carrots, onions, celery, tomatoes, and dry mushroom. And you let it go. I finish it with a touch of coconut milk, and then take one lime. So I usually top it with a nice poached lobster. A chilled pea soup. I have my little string beans here. And then some crème fraîche, which is a fancy word for sour cream, right? Little drops over here, and your appetizer is done. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.